Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an unboxing review of Jcb. Um, this is an unboxing review of Jcb H5Kp Demolition hammer. It costs 7,500 rupees, and I bought from Flipkart. We all know Jcb for excavators and other earth mover heavy machines. Nowadays, Jcb introduces drills, cutters, and extras in the market. Other big companies like Makita, Stanley, Bosch are way too costly, around 13,000 or 14,000 rupees. But this drill is cheap compared to the others. Yeah, I think it's Jcb is a good brand. We all know that. I think it's a newly introduced product from Jcb. Now I'm going to review this product. Let's go. Jcb Joseph Cyril Bamford. Its rated voltage is 220 volt to 240 volt AC, and rated power 1100 watts. Rated RPM 3000 RPM, and a single hammer force 10U. Chisel size 17 mm. Jcb. You'll see chisels, two types of chisels. And this is a key. This is a 5 kg drill. Jcb H5Kp. It's a demolition hammer. I think it's the metal used is good, and it's heavy, and the plastic also is heavy. The box, the material, plastic material is not good enough. I think they concentrated on the product, not about their case or something. They concentrated on the product and the material and the metal. Everything is metal, and it's heavy too. You can see a bottle. It's a grease. Need to apply grease regularly if you are using this machine for a long time. It will help boost the performance of this machine, and this is the grease cap. You can remove the cap using this key and apply grease. It is a powerful machine, and I will show in another video of its working. Stay tuned.